Welcome again to another episode of Technical Difficulties. This is the follow-up video to the constant resetting problem I had with the N64 right here. And thanks to the kid 2x6, I want to say I'm remembering that correctly, for your comment telling me what the name of this bit is called. So then I knew what to call it so I can grab it and we can pop open the shell and see what's going on inside. These just came in today, and it came with a little flyer or card for the videogamemuseum.com. So if this works, I'd highly recommend checking them out, which I will be soon after this video is done. But if it doesn't work out, then I know who to send my hate mail to. Yay! Okay, so probably gonna chipmunk this part, but let's get these screws off. All 6 screws have been out. Now just trying to gently take off the shell. I'm just gonna stop recording until I figure out how to pop this out. Well, that was quick. Oops, my bad. And dear God, it is dirty in here. Okay, I'm gonna move some of this stuff over so I can place this off to the side. And this is what the interior of an N64 looks like. A very dirty one. I'm just kind of messing around with the reset button right here. I wonder if it's possible to pop this whole thing out. This is one grimy ass reset button. Now on the N64 itself, I see that the actual reset switch isn't stuck down. So I believe the problem may be just with this thing. Excuse me one moment. Intermission! Coffee filters. They are really good for cleaning things. I do not know why. All this is right here is just alcohol in a little kind of bottle. Cleaning around the edges. You can see quite a bit of dirt came off of that, though I did screw up a lot of the top of that, and gonna clean around inside here. Use the opposite side to wipe it dry. And there, the inside of the reset button holders cleaned out. I'm sure I should clean out the rest of the N64, but I guess I'll do that at a later date. Throw away that. And let's pop everything back together. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. None of them are loose. And let's plug this thing in and see how it works. Okay, I just plugged the N64 back in, and for the sake of consistency, Duke Nukem 0 Hour. Okay, it looks like it's working now.
Hail to the king, baby.
New York is in trouble, Duke. The alien scum have taken over the areas around Liberty Island. Without immediate intervention, they'll get the whole damn city. Your helicopter is waiting. Go kick some ass.
Looking good, pal. Who the hell are you, my evil twin? I'm you, genius, only back in time. Now hear me. Aliens have traveled into Earth's past to try and change history. I went back and fought them, but my...
And as you can plainly see, it works fine now. So, thank you, the kid 20x6 or 20 times 6. Pardon me if I'm pronouncing that wrong or whichever way, for telling me what the name of the bit was, and that you also had this problem once before, whatever. So, if you ever have a problem with your N64, just like I had, and you need to open it up, check out videogamemuseum.com and pick up the bit. I guess that's the end of this episode of Technical Difficulties. And I'm not really wearing a hat. Cheerio. And I should have remembered this guy's name before I started recording.